As a Bay East member, you have access to beneficial resources that can help you grow your business, meet clients' expectations, and simplify daily tasks. I'm Sam Fitzsimon, and today we're going to take a look at some of the products that are available to you. Realtor.com Professional Search. Using Professional Search, members can perform nationwide property searches, access community and demographic information, school reports, search and activity trends, and much more. Disclosures.io. Disclosures.io provides an easy way to create, share, and manage property disclosures. Generate clean, professional disclosure packages that can be shared with buyers, agents, clients, and your team. Cloud Agent Suite. The simple yet powerful MLS interface offers MLS tools for better CMAs, listing alerts, searches, and lead generation. Use products such as Cloud MLX or Cloud Streams to auto-complete search results and send lightning-fast listing alerts. Cloud CMA offers easy and impressive ways to create CMA presentations and buyer tours. Access these valuable tools by logging in to Paragon and clicking on the Resources tab on the top. If you have any questions about any of these products, please contact our technical support at 925-730-7100. We also have time-saving MLS mobile apps available to download from the Google Play or the Apple Store, making it simple and efficient to do business from your phone. HomeSnap Pro app. Search, edit, and maintain your listings, access contacts and associated documents, generate a CMA, and create virtual listing cards right from the HomeSnap Pro app. HomeSpotter app. Search listings from Paragon, San Francisco, and Barry's MLS, including active, contingent, pending, sold, expired, and withdrawn statuses, all from the HomeSpotter app. Finally, we have a great new product coming soon. Title Toolbox. Receive instant access to net sheets, property profiles with Title Toolbox. Property profiles include detailed property information, local market statistics, listing activity, foreclosure activity, and additional features. Keep an eye out for this exciting benefit coming in June. Thank you for watching.